Alright, so here's contact number 7, part 3, assigning various family type with Dynamo using Excel or CSV data. So in this slide, you will see the overview of the CSV, overview of the Excel data Dynamo script. And so if you are using Excel data, this will be step number 1 to the until step number 4. Alright. So the step number 1, you need to select the specified family, and after that you need to counter check the ring number arrangement, is it correct or not. And then the step number 2, you need to import your Excel data, and step number 3, you need to make the outcome to become a string. And after that, step number 4, you need to set up key segment type, and then you need to you can set up the key segment type accordingly based on your Excel datasheet. Alright, so here is the overall view for the Dynamo script if you are using the CSV data. Alright, so if you are using the CSV data, the step will be a step number 1 to the step number 6. Alright, so the step number 1, you need to import. So the step number 1, you need to extract data that you have been added, in the part 2. In the part 2, we have added the ring number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the share parameter, and then so this parameter you need to extract in the step number 1. And then the step number 2, you need to import your CSV data for the ring number. And step number 3, you need to select the item that you want to get it from the CSV data. And then the step number 4, you need to make string before you start the step number 5. In the step number 5, you need to select the family name and family type correctly. And then the step number 6, you need to set the ring type based on your CSV imported data. Alright, so wherever you are using the Excel or CSV data, whenever after you have completely ran your Dynamo script, you will get the end result as shown in this print screen. So the left print screen is before I'm doing the filtering, so here's the end result. So the middle print screen is after I set up the filter based on the key segment naming, so this is a result. Alright, so later will be a handout session for the Dynamo, especially for the part 3. I'm using the CSV data. Alright.